Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. In this video I will show you how to check the status of your laptop battery. Open Start menu and type CMD. Run as administrator. Now type power cfg /battery report and press enter. Now you have to open System32 folder to get battery report file. Copy and paste the address in Windows Explorer. It's HTML file, so it will open in web browser. Double-click to open it. Now you can see basic details of your laptop, like computer name, BIOS, OS build. Here you can see battery manufacturer name, serial number and type of battery. This is battery design capacity and recharge capacity. You can also check recent usage, usage history, battery capacity history, battery life estimates. But important thing is battery design capacity and recharge capacity. You need a little calculation to evaluate your battery status. Open calculator. Now divide recharge capacity to design capacity. And multiply to 100. As you can see, this battery health is 58.77%. It should be above 70% for best battery backup. Battery type of this laptop is lithium polymer, and lifespan of this type battery is around 2 to 3 years.
To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.